Hadi come back, return like the Ababil to the land of martyrs, the destination of martyrs. In the melody of freedom, the call rises, come, oh, come. A million minarets raise up the dawn and dusk. Everything is washed clean with holy blood. Justice is everywhere, the roar of revelation. Victory to the revolution of millions of Hadis. Fascism shall never return to this land again. Who initiated the various fascism? Who held high the victory flag of red and green? Who upheld humanity and the victory songs of the people? Where can the revolutionary Hadis be found?